Hey folks, welcome back to the Skinner's Custom Screens YouTube channel. Calvin's going to show us how we replace a sliding patio screen door wheel corner. So this is a corner that goes in the door right here on the inside, and the wheel hooks to these little nubs sticking out on the sides. So what we have to do is we have to remove the internal corner and replace it with a new one, and then we'll show you how that goes. So this door has already been rescreened, so we're just going to remove the bottom spline here, and then we're going to remove the spline up a little bit this way on both sides so that we can take this bottom width piece off and remove the corner.
That's the bottom of the door.
So we've got the bottom spline off all along the bottom width, and then we'll pull the spline up about 3 or 4 inches here. And then as you can see here, Calvin's pushing the screen up out of the spline, and then we'll remove this bottom width. Okay, so we have our width off. We're going to go ahead and remove our corner piece right here. And this is where the wheel attaches underneath, inside the frame here, underneath here. So we're going to remove this piece and replace it with a new one. So we'll compare the broken piece to the new piece. You can see right here that the end where the wheel attaches has broken off. And this is the new one, and you can see this is where the wheel attaches. This one is missing, so we put the new one in, and we can put that wheel back on and be good to go. Just tap it right in, and then we'll install that bottom width. Okay, we've got that all the way back together. Now let me see underneath here. We have our corner coming out where we'll be able to attach the wheel. Success so far. So we're just going to get our sides rolled back in. And we're going
and pull that.
So this is a sample of an old wheel that came out of the door. And you notice it doesn't have a hook here. A lot of the doors have this little snap-on type of attachment. Well, the wheels that we use have a hook type attachment, and they're much easier to install than the other type. So we're gonna be using this wheel here. Okay, so that wheel is hooked on, and now it's ready to be adjusted and delivered to the customer. If you learned anything there, give us a like, share that video, and tell Calvin what a great job he did, because I couldn't do it without Calvin. Skinner's Custom Screens, making screen magic happen.